What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. One sec, let me get the current time. Okay, we are gonna go live. We are doing the $50 group break credit and the random for the Panarin Bobrovsky clear cut. We're live at 11:33. It is 11:33 here in Dartmouth. So first we got Florida and Rangers. We're gonna go 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Stu, that's yours. Congrats. Congrats, Stu. And this is for the $50 giveaway. We got a lot of names in there. So good luck, guys. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Marty, $50 giveaway for the group break credit. And I will do this last timestamp. And 11:34. 11:34. Congrats, guys.